The first thing you should do when you have registered your Unum account is set up your preferences. If you're not a company owner, this is very quick and easy to do. All of the information you entered during the join process is already here, but you can add information or update it at any time. You can also upload a picture that will appear when other people search for you from their connection screen. If you are the company owner, however, there are a few preferences that you will need to set initially. Company information was entered during the join process, but can be edited here, with the exception of Prime Solutions. If what you have entered for Prime Solutions needs to be changed, you will need to contact ADE. To begin entering in clients, at least one company location needs to be set. If you only have one location, you still need to enter that in here. Create each location with the city as the location name. These locations will appear on your company card when people click on your company from the connection screen. And they will also appear when a client completes the referral process. For more information on either of these, see the infographics in the Help Center or stay tuned for a future video on these topics. Once a location is added and a client is assigned to that location, it cannot be deleted. However, it can be deactivated by clicking on the location name in this box. Once you deactivate a location, it will no longer appear as an option when creating a client and will not appear when a client is selecting a company during the referral process. This is the company's fee schedule. At least one fee needs to be entered in the fee schedule for the document that is shared with new clients. When entering in a new fee in the amount box, only enter in the numerals. Do not enter a $sign. Fees can be added, edited, or removed at any time from this box. Simply click on an existing fee to edit it, or click the Add button to include a new fee. The final preference that requires immediate attention is the client billing settings. Here is where you can enable clients' credit cards to be charged directly through Unum. When a payment is made with ADE Incorporated selected as the processor, ADE will collect the money on behalf of your company. On the 6th of the month, when the monthly invoice is generated, the amount ADE owes your company will also be accounted for, and your balance will reflect this. If your balance is negative, you will need to make a payment within 30 days. If the balance is positive, you will receive a check from ADE shortly after. If you would like to receive client payments immediately, you can also collect money through your own e-processing network. Select e-processing network as your credit card processor, enter your EPN account number and secure code, and click Update. Now, when a client makes a payment through Unum, it will go through your EPN and be deposited into your account. However, any processing fees will not be included when the client makes a payment. From this box, you can also allow partial payments. By default, partial payments are not accepted. If you select a minimum charge amount, then when a client has a balance to pay, they can either select to pay the minimum amount or the full balance. If you would not like to collect any payment through Unum, select None as a credit card processor. You will still be able to record payments in Unum, but a credit card will not be able to be charged. From the Preferences screen, you can also upload a company logo. This will appear on the company card when someone searches for your company from their connection screen. It will also appear on some of the documents that you create in Unum. If you are the company owner, you can also manage your company users. This means that you can allow other Unum users to create clients on behalf of your company. This is done by clicking on Authorize Users. Here is a list of all of the users who currently are authorized to use Unum for your company, and their role with your company is listed as well. You can click on any of these users to change their role. Select None to remove their access to your company. To add a new user, click the Add button. Start typing in the user's name here. If they have an Unum account already, their name will appear in this list. You can then select their role for your company and click Add. If they are not already using Unum, however, when you click Add, you will see this screen. Enter in their email or SMS-enabled phone number and click Invite. This will automatically create an account for them in Unum, and they will receive a registration email. Once they complete the registration, they can begin using Unum for your company. The final setting available to company owners is Managing Gateway Devices. Click this option to see a list of all gateway devices set up for your company, as well as their current status. This will show if the device is available and used by a client or unavailable. If you are setting up a new gateway device, click the Add button here to see instructions as well as a unique registration code that will be entered into the device and will link that device to your company. Click on any of the devices in this list to view their details and make changes. If you click Deactivate, you will have to click Activate again from this box to reactivate it. If you click Remove, this will completely remove the gateway device from this list. You will have to repeat the steps to add this device back in the future if you choose to do so. Finally, if a client is currently on a gateway device, you can click Disconnect to log the client out of the gateway. If any settings are not entered or require your attention, an exclamation point will appear next to Preferences on the tab on the left-hand side of your screen. On the Preferences screen itself, a yellow circle with an exclamation point will appear next to the setting that requires your attention. If at any time you are confused about one or more of these preference options, each of these is also explained in a standalone video as well as in an infographic explaining all of the preferences.